Let's bowl off with cricket. Papine High continue to rewrite the history books in local schoolboy cricket competitions. They have become the first urban team in 20 years to win all the 3 titles on offer after defeating Innswood High by 3 runs in the ISA T20 final at Shedwin Park.
After breaking a 20-year dominance by the rural school stronghold on the Spalding Cup when they beat St. Elizabeth Technical for the title, the high-riding Papine was on course to place themselves in the history book of schoolboy cricket. They opposed Innswood at home for the last piece of urban-era silverware up for grabs, and after being forced to take first strike, Papine were restricted for 121 for 8. After losing the first 5 wickets for just under 50 runs on the board, Orlando Rowe with an unbeaten 24 shared a 5th wicket stand of 46 runs with Romario Lynch, who made 22, and then he shared a 7th wicket partnership of 38 with Randy Pearson, who got a 22 as well. Javor Royal 3 for 15 and Omario Wallace 3 for 15 did the damage for Innswood. Needing to score 6 runs per over against the talented Papine bowling attack, Innswood batsmen faced an uphill task. After losing their first wicket for 12, Mark James and Carlos Brown staged a brief recovery with a 54-run stand for the 2nd wicket. But after Brown went for a top score of 33, Innswood began to lose wickets steadily throughout their innings and were eventually restricted to 112 for 7 in 19 overs. Needing 10 runs off 6 balls to deny Papine the treble, skipper Andre Bailey took matters into his own hands, bowling the final over, which cost only 7 runs as the East Rural St. Andrew team celebrated an historic feat.
Well, I'm very elated as I'm captain, winning the 3 titles this year. I mean, this trophy means a lot to me. I want to give thanks to the coaching staff, the principal who was investing in us a lot, and I also thank God for this victory. I wasn't worried no point at all in the game. I know that my team is very competent in winning. I know that we will come out victorious, and I back my team 100%.
Young coach Shane Brooks had high praises for the youngsters for achieving the milestone.
Well, I'm elated. This is what we have been working for. I mean, 3 from 3. I couldn't ask for more, but we have another competition. So, as historic as it is, we are looking towards the next competition and we are looking to represent well.
The date for the All-Ireland T20 final and the Under-16 is yet to be announced, according to ISA's competitions officer, George Forbes.
We are trying to find a date to play that because the boys have exam, Kingston College and St. George's are in the final. Both teams have boys who are doing CXC. Obviously, those exams will come before all cricket. And we also have the T20 All-Ireland final, the top 8, the top 4 in Kingston, top 4 in rural. They're going to be playing for the T20 competition.
Bernard Brown for TVJ Sports.